Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to perform this WOR logic in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my GXWorks 2 software and here we will create some OR logic. For better understand, I will take one x0 input and in second row also I will take x1 signal for OR logic operation, and this line I will be connect here, and here I will take one output, for example y0, and simply this program I will compile and download to the PLC. And now go to the simulation, and as you can see, when I give the signal at, for example, x0, after you can see our output is true. Now y0 is true, and for example if x1 is true, also your y0 is true, because of this system called OR logic. And if your x1 is close, your bit will be output will be not close, because of x0 is now on condition. This is the true. For example x0 I make it off and x1 I will make it on. After your y0 will be also true. So this close and x0 if we will make it on, after y0 will be on. So this OR logic basically look like x0 or x1, any one of the on after your output performs. This may be some students maybe understand about this uh, OR logic in programming field, but when this is used in the programming in the PLC, after little the different, I will stop the simulation and I will make it here one OR logic operation, and here we will take the x3 signal, for example x3 signal, and you have to be just type only WOR and you will be get this command. And here you have to be choose some data registers, for example D1 and next D4, next D6, and click enter and compile this program and make it simulation on. Close this, and now first we will go to the debug, modify the value, and D1 first I will put, for example 2 value and make it set, and D4 I will give the value, for example 3, and click it set. And as I give the signal at x3, you can see this performs 3. How this 3 performs? As per previous lecture already I explained about AND logic. Same this logic will be work. This 2 binary and the 3 binary, and after this is showing in the decimal. If you not see my previous video, first you go to the link this previous video and logic. After you will be understand about how this command works, this and how this answer coming 3. For example this is D4, for example I will put 4 and click enter, and after you can see this is the answer is 6. Because of this 2 and 4 and answer is 6. This is in the binary, this is the bitwise, this is operation. wide word wide, this one OR logic, this is bitwise operation and answer gives in the decimal. If you like to see, simply go to the calculator. You can see this calculator. 2 of the binary is how much? You can see this is the 2 of the binary 0010, and after 4 the binary how much? You can see 0100, and after this is 6, how much binary? Can go and 6 type and you can see 0110. And when you two collect this data 2 and 4, and after this 6 binary, same answer will be you got. So this way you will use this logic operation in the Mitsubishi PLC, and you like to be creative or logic, this way you can create. For an example, we will again this edit write mode I will delete. I delete this one command. In OR logic, how much long you like to be make. For example, here we will take x2 and click enter, and here you can make x3 for example and click it enter, and this line you will be here, and also one more you can take x4 for example, this will be go, and here you will be link also you can make, click it OK, and here link also you can give one OK, and this compile this program, and now go to the simulation. It's very simple and easy method. We close the simulation, wait for a second, and now you can see this is for example x0. I will give the signal, modify the value x0. when I make it on, your y0 is on, and if for example x1 I will make it on, your y0 will be on. And if I or means yani, if I can say not if, I will say or yani, this is the or logic. If I x2 make it on true, y0 will be on, and or x3 I will make it true, y0 will be on, and or x4 I will make, your y0 will be on. So this OR logic we can create in the PLC. This way, how many bits internal external signals, for example this is the from the field, this some signals are coming at NO or NCs, and you say this is this signal on, or this signal on, or this signal on, or this signal on, which signal any like to be make OR logic. After you can design this in the program, and I hope you will be understand about this or logic, how we can create and how this performs in the Mitsubishi PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.